Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
You just got your W-2 form, you're looking it over, and you see it. Box 2, the spot for federal income tax withheld, is completely blank. Or maybe it has a 0. Your heart sinks a little. What does this mean? Are you in trouble with the IRS? Let's break down exactly what to do if you find yourself in this situation, because while it's a serious issue, it is fixable. First, let's understand why this might happen. The most common reason is a simple clerical error by your employer or their payroll service. Mistakes happen. Another possibility is that you might have filled out your Form W-4 incorrectly when you were hired, perhaps by claiming exempt from withholding when you didn't actually qualify. It's also possible, though less common for most full-time employees, that your total income for the year was low enough that no federal tax withholding was required. But for the average worker, a blank box 2 is a major red flag that needs immediate attention. So, what's your action plan? Step 1, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Step 2 is to investigate. Find your very last pay stub from the tax year in question. This document is your key piece of evidence. Look for the YTD or year-to-date summary. If you see a year-to-date amount for federal taxes paid, but that number isn't in box 2 of your W-2, then you've confirmed your W-2 is incorrect. This leads to step 3, contact your employer immediately. Reach out to your HR or payroll department, politely explain the discrepancy you found between your pay stub and your W-2, and request a corrected W-2, which is officially called a Form W-2C. In most cases, they'll acknowledge the error and send you a new form. But what if they're unresponsive, or the tax deadline is right around the corner? That brings us to step 4. You cannot just skip filing your taxes. The IRS requires you to file by the deadline regardless. If you can't get a corrected W-2 in time, you must use Form 4852, which is a substitute for a W-2. You'll use your final pay stub to fill in the information about your wages and any taxes that were withheld. You then attach this form to your tax return and file it. Now, let's address the tough part. If your pay stubs confirm that $0 were actually withheld all year, you are on the hook for your entire tax liability when you file. This will result in a large tax bill. If you can't pay it all at once, look into setting up a payment plan with the IRS. The key is to be proactive. To prevent this from ever happening again, review your W-4 with your employer and consider using the IRS's tax withholding estimator online to ensure you have the correct amount withheld going forward. And make it a habit to glance at your pay stubs throughout the year, not just at tax time. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you understand what to do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tax and finance tips.